crazy because, you know, I'm a conservative and the liberals say we can't stand immigrants. I mean, how I got past that to marry the woman is just bizarre. But Paul is an authentic Spanish speaker who was genuinely puzzled by the question, what the hell is Cise Podway? Why are you so freaking weird, Democrats, around minority voters? I don't understand. Jim, we got to do this little lesson again. And forgive me, did this on the podcast, but I've got to do it again. Democrats listening and liberals, put down, you know, your fancy crumpets and your tea, whatever you're doing right now, your foie gras lunches. Take the bow tie off and realize, just listen to me for a minute. It is for a group of people who run around in their Mini Coopers with coexist bumper stickers, why are you so freaking weird? Why do you always talk to Hispanic and black people like they're like some different Martian type being from another planet? Let me give you a little hint. You're a conservative. Here's how you talk to black or Hispanic people. Jim, you're Jim, open up your mic. We're going to do a little lesson. Jim, I know you're going to be shocked by this because you are a longtime conservative. You're a little older than me. You may be stung. But because the liberals tell us we're the confusing ones and we don't understand this whole thing and life, liberty, and freedom and whatever coexist, tolerance, all this stuff. Here's how you talk to them. Like you talk to me. Jim's like, is it? No, there's no catch. You don't have to talk. Hola! Como está ustedes? They speak English, man. You can talk to people normally. Paula speaks English. Do me a favor. Paula, you still there? What do you hate the most when people come up to you? Yes! Right there! There is... She hates it! When people come up to her, she speaks English! Whenever someone comes up to her and goes, hola! ¿Cómo está? She says, hi, how are you? She answers it. Why? Because she speaks English. There's nothing wrong with Spanish. I speak Spanish. I like that I speak Spanish. However, if I speak English in an English-speaking country, you can speak to me in English. It's okay. Why are we so weird? These losers in the Democrat Party, why are they so weird? Huh?